Exercise 1.11. Here we're gonna try some copy method. Very simple. But first we have three original names to copy from. So let's type it here. Lifke, Jose, and Lisette. Okay. Here, let's copy the Lifke downwards. We just need to drag it down. And according to the instruction on the syllabus, here, these two should also be Lifke's. But we cannot just copy in both cells. We have to copy it into one and then drag it to the other. So paste. You see many different paste options here. We just need to paste as it is. So the first one, and drag it. Yes. The next one is Jose. Copy, paste to here, copy it downwards, and now we have two rows selected. And okay, that's Jose. And Lisette, copy, and let's paste it here. Oh, this is not Lisette, this is Lifke. So, okay, we copy any Lifke, it's not relative, so we can just copy any. Let's drag it downwards, Lifke, and the last column should be Jose. Okay, paste, and drag it downwards. That's it. So simple, right? This is exercise 1.11. I will see you in the next video.